Officer was shot and killed last night in the Chatham neighborhood.
It happened around 8 p.m. near 80th and Ingleside.
And this morning, overcast conditions, and we'll keep showers for the remainder of your daytime hours today. You might get an hour, a half hour of dry area, or dry time, I should say, far north and west a little later this morning. But for the most part, this long line of showers just kind of keeps moving over the same area, which happens to be us. It looks like late afternoon hours, we'll start to see some drier conditions far north and west, and by 6, 7 o'clock, things are winding down finally. So expect the rain, obviously, for the morning commute. It is pretty light, at least, with temperatures in the mid-60s. It's 64 at the lakefront and 65 at the airports this morning. We've got 67 degrees at best. Gusty winds in place as well. We'll get into all the details and timing here in a few minutes. Brett's here now with your traffic. Brett, your day will sit today. You've got rain out there this morning, and we'll keep that through the remainder of almost your entire day. You'll see areas that see, a dry hour or so, but otherwise, for the great majority of your day, this long line of showers just sits and basically moves from the southwest to the northeast over us. It all stays pretty light for at least now until about 2, 3 o'clock, and then we may see at least a little bit of this pickup in a few spots, and your model will show that as well. Here is your forecast model by your late morning, 9 a.m. Again, a couple areas might see a half hour of dry weather, but rain looks to roll right back in through your day. Here's 4 o'clock, a little heavy rain out there, and then as we get closer to, you can see 7:30, the area is dry. So we dry up from about 5:30 to 7:30 from northwest to southeast, and we'll see drier conditions then overnight and through the rest of tomorrow, where we break into a little more sun. This morning you're in the 60s, anywhere from about 63 to 66 degrees, so not a big range here this morning. 64, 65 in Chicago, and you may gain another 2 degrees today, and that will be thanks to this wind, because the cloud cover, the rain is obviously going to help kind of suppress any warmth. A south wind, though, may draw in a couple degrees for us. You've got these sustained to 23 miles per hour right now. Already windy, starting to clock more wind gusts now. A 32-mile-per-hour gust clocked in Bartlett, 37 there in Valparaiso. We'll see these increase today, so 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and where you have this wind advisory in the tan, including Cook County, southern Cook County, I should say, 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts. But even if you're not in the advisory, it's windy. You're getting 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts area-wide. 67 degrees here today, gusty winds, overcast conditions, and obviously the showers. We are dry this evening and overnight to 45 degrees by the morning hours, and then 56 tomorrow afternoon, 58 on Thursday. That's your forecast. Hey, Brett.